Welcome back to my new video. One of my customers brought this phone to me and he told me that this phone is not booting. My dear technician, the first thing I asked him was what happened to the phone before the phone shut down. And he told me that they were charging the phone. So the phone shut down. When they tried to boot the phone did not boot. They tried all possible means, but it proved abortive. My dear technician, today's video, I'm going to open the phone live here and show you everything and fix the phone live here for you guys to see. Without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, you may ask, Father Joe, what type of phone is this? This is Techno Camon. This one is a copy Techno Camon. I hope you all understand by a copy phone what we mean by a copy phone. This is a copy phone. Okay? So check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, according to the owner, he told me that one engineer opened the phone and checked and told him that it is IC issue. So he brought the phone to me. My dear technician, let me take my time to open the phone and show you everything. I'm going to use my multimeter to test it live here for you guys to see. If you have questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Okay? So the first thing now, I'm going to test to see if there is voltage in the battery. That's the first thing I'm going to do now. So without time wasted, let me do it. I just turn on my multimeter right now. Let me set it to voltage. Check this out. The next thing now is for me to test it. Let me test now. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. We have 0 volt. We have 0 volt. This means that something is wrong. Either the circuit of the phone is short. Could be IC, could be capacitor, could be diode. That's short voltage. So voltage cannot enter the phone panel. So my dear technician, what I will do now is for me to go deeply and check and know where the problem is. My dear technician, before I go deeply and check, let me disconnect the negative side of the battery and use my multimeter to test to see if there is voltage in the battery. Okay? Let me do that now. Check this out. Check this out. We don't have voltage in the battery. Let me read the VBAT on the phone panel. I want to see if voltage is flowing in. Check this out. Voltage is not flowing in, it's short. My dear technician, when positive and negative connect together on the phone panel, it is called short circuit. Okay? When positive and negative is reading direct, okay, is beeping a sound on your multimeter, beep, it is called short circuit. Okay? This is a full short because it reads to 0. So this is a full short. My dear technician, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Without time wasted, let me remove all the bolts so that I can go deeply and check. If you have questions, feel free. Tell me something in the comment section. Father Joe, have a question for you. Have this, I have that. Feel free. Let me know in the comment section right now. Okay? Let me know right now. Check this out, my dear technician. I take my time to do it. So when you're doing your own, please take your time to do it. Do not rush. Take time to do it. Okay? Let me know if you have a question. Feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Let me go deeply and check and know the problem of this phone because I want to solve this phone. The owner is sitting down waiting for me. So I want to solve this phone right now so that I can give it to the owner. My dear technician, remember what I told you. Always check for physical damage first. Check for physical damage first. Okay, so the first thing here, I check for physical damage first. Check this out. I take my time to look. Check this out. I zoom to look very well. I take my time to check the panel, to check the whole board, to see if there's any rust, if there's any corrosion, if there's anything that could stop this phone from booting or if there's anything that could short the circuit of this phone. Could be capacitor, could be diode, could be IC. I take my time to look. So after taking my time to look, I discovered that nothing is wrong with the physical appearance of the motherboard. Okay. Now, the next thing I will do now, you can see I'm with battery. Okay. You can see the spark. So this is the battery I normally use to open a circuit that is short. My dear technician, I want to use this battery to open the circuit of this phone because I want voltage to flow in. Okay. So the first thing now is for me to place the negative of the battery to the negative of the phone. Okay. I'm looking for a place to place it. My dear technician, if you have question, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. The next thing now is for me to connect the positive. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, go. Check this out. I just do a tapping because I want to see if there is any capacitor that will start burning out. Check this out. There's a smoke. Have you seen? My dear technician, the smoke comes out from the other side of the panel. So I'm still doing tapping to see if there's any other smoke that will comes out. This place is heating up. This place is heating up. It's heating up. This downside is heating up. My dear technician, have to disconnect the button flex, power flex, other flex. I need to remove this panel and turn the other side to see other components. Okay. But before then, let me test to see if voltage can now flow in or not. Okay. If you have question, feel free. Tell me something right now. If you have question, check this out. You can see that it's still shorting, but it's no more full short. It's giving a half short and it's not that full short like the way it was before. You can see it's reading 3 point something, 1 something. It's not stable because that thing that is shorting the voltage is still on the panel. I've not yet removed it, but once I remove it, it's going to read normal. Okay. So let me go deeply and check so that I'll fix the issue. Without time wasted, let me do it fast. My dear technician, there was a day I talk about troubleshooting. If you're a phone technician and you don't know troubleshooting, you have to know that. Please, troubleshooting is very good so that you'll be able to fix your customer phone perfectly. My ebook for troubleshooting is coming very soon. My dear technician, so get ready for my ebook. It's going to be in 3 categories. There will be ebook for button phone, there will be ebook for Android, there will be ebook for iPhone. So get ready for these 3 ebooks. Okay. I want you guys to learn. So that's why I removed 3 categories of ebook. You can go for any one you want to go for. Okay. So I don't want everything to be inside one book. So I want it to be different. Okay. So that you go for the one you want. I want you to learn all of them. In fact, get all of them so that you learn and understand. My dear technician, check this out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open the circuit again. I want to see a place that smoke will come out. Okay, check this out. I'm doing a tapping now. Check this out. I feel heat. I feel heat. It's heating somewhere. I feel heat. My dear technician, the panel is heating up. The downside is near the SIM card slot. Is this particular heat sink, and I will open it live here for you guys to see. I'll open the heat sink and go deeply. I want to see if there's any capacitor. Let me do it again. It's still heating up. It's heating up. My dear technician, The next thing now is for me to open the heatsink. I need to go deep and check. There's a capacitor or diode that is heating up inside the heatsink. So I need to go deeply and check. My dear technician, before I go deeply and check, let me try to open the circuit again. And at this time, I'm going to apply paste to show you guys that particular heatsink is heating up. Okay, let me do it. Let me apply paste. But before then, let me just do a tapping. My dear technician is heating. It's heating up. The heat is coming. It's heating up. You can see the smoke. Check this out. You can see the smoke. There's a smoke. Check very well. Check very well. There's a smoke. So let me put paste now. Let me rush immediately and put paste on top of it. This particular heatsink is heating up. You can see. I put in the two for you guys to see. You can see this other one melts immediately. You can see. But the other one was still there. You can see this one melt immediately. My dear technician, this is the problem. This particular heatsink, something is there inside that is shorting. I need to go deeply. I need to remove that heatsink and check. Okay? So that is the problem. If you have question, feel free. Let me know if you have question. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section right now. My dear technician, that is how to troubleshoot and fix issues. There are so many ways you can troubleshoot, okay? There are so many ways, and I have them stored in my brain. If you want to learn them, please join my group or join YouTube membership, okay? Join our YouTube membership and enjoy. Join our YouTube membership. I posted how to troubleshoot. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to take my time to remove this flex, the power flex and other things, because I want to go deeply and check a whole lot of things. So take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Okay, check this out. The next thing now is for me to put it on a PCB stand. Check this out. Check this out. After that is for me to start blowing. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Okay? Make sure you blow it very well. Take your time to do this. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section right now if you have question. Let me know right now if you have question in the comment section. Take your time to do this. Don't rush. Take your time to do this. Put paste. Put paste. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Okay? Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, this video is very long, so I cut it to be part 1 and part 2, please. So this is the part 1. The part 2 is dropping very soon. Please check for the part 2 and watch. Thank you, and let's continue in the part 2 section. Okay? In the part 2, I'm going to show you how you can check every other thing on the panel to be sure that there's no other thing that is shorting and everything is reading perfectly before you fix the phone. So thank you. See you in part 2. Bye bye for now.